It depends on our vision. Because ultimately Vrindavan is transcendental. And it's all aprakrita, unmanifest in its true beauty and rasa-filled form. So when we become transcendental, premanjana churita bhakti vilochanena, our eye becomes the eye of specialized devotion. Bhakti vilochan, vishesh lochan, a very specialized eye. An eye that's dipped in devotion. An eye and ak that's saturated with pure bhakti, prema bhakti. Then one can see Vrindavan as it is. And what is aprakrita becomes prakrita. And what is invisible becomes visible. What is imperceivable becomes perceivable. What is intangible becomes tangible. You can see Krishna and Radha in Vrindavan. You can feel Krishna in Vrindavan. He will touch you. This is the experience of the Premi Bhaktas living in Vrindavan, even today. The Siddhas, the Siddha Sants of Vrindavan.